The SpeedSquare confuses everybody, but it's super, super simple, really. If we just, I'm going to turn this around so you can see it better from your angle, I think. If you look right here on this side, you can see that good. It says pivot. So your pivot, of course, has to go up against the wood, and you pivot off that corner. Okay, that handle, if you're going to be 90, it's always going to be square to the world, and you're going to have a 90-degree square. Now I'm going to have that same square when I start. I want to put a 512 on here, so this says common. Right here it says a common, and this one says hip and valley. Okay, so we want this common most of the time. We're not doing hips and valleys most of the time in my classes, or around Alaska a lot of the time we don't do them, but down in the lower 48 they do a lot of hips. So you're always going to mark off your side that has the inches on it. So that's your side you're marking. Now I got a 512 that I just drew with the frame and square a minute ago. I just did that same angle, and this is your 512 pitch for your plumb cut, which is going to be your vertical cut. Okay? If you want to do a 612, now I'll show you a 612. This is going to be your, again, you got to make sure you're on common. Don't put it on the hip and valley, it'll mess you up. So this is a 6. We're going to go to a 7, and then we'll go to an 8. And you can see each one of those, if this is our plumb cuts, each one of those gets steeper and steeper and steeper. Okay, so they're going to be more and more straight up and down as I go to a higher number, because it's rising faster.